So even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, it's to be self-evident that all men are created equal. That my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. This faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. This will be the day from every state and every city. We will be able to speed up that day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are